In the land of Dreamtime, where the clever landers reside, teaching the soldiers that some are born with a stride. Good-looking, charming, intelligent, these gifts we cannot hide. Mother Nature's hand unevenly on each of us does decide. Some are blessed with beauty, others with wisdom, but in the end it's how we use these gifts that truly matter. Embrace your uniqueness, let your light shine even brighter. DreamTimeSoldiers, rise up and show the world your power. For in unity and strength, we can conquer any height we climb. But beloved, not all are born equal, but that's the beauty of diversity. Embrace your differences, for they make you who you're meant to be. The clever man's wisdom echoing through the ancient trees, teaching us to embrace our gifts with grace and humility. Love may play a role, but it's what's inside that truly shines. But in the end, it's how we use these gifts that truly matter. Embrace your uniqueness, let your light shine even brighter. DreamTimeSoldiers, rise up and show the world your power. For in unity and strength, we can conquer any height we climb. In the land of Dreamtime, where our spirits intertwine. Embrace your uniqueness, let your light shine even brighter. DreamTimeSoldiers, rise up and show the world your power.